Have you ever pondered what to eat on a keto diet? It can seem a little daunting at first, but rest assured there's a multitude of delicious and healthy options that won't just keep you feeling full, but also help you inch closer to your weight loss goals. First, let's delve into some of the best foods to consume on a keto diet. A cornerstone of the keto diet is healthy fats. They should constitute the majority of your calorie intake. Avocado, nuts and seeds, coconut oil, olive oil, butter, and fatty fish are some of the best sources of healthy fats for a keto diet. Next up, we have low-carb vegetables. These are your non-starchy veggies that are fantastic sources of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Some of the best keto-friendly vegetables include broccoli, spinach, cauliflower, zucchini, mushrooms, and asparagus. Protein is a non-negotiable part of a keto diet. It's what keeps you feeling satiated. Meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and tofu are excellent protein sources. Dairy products such as cheese, butter, and heavy cream are high in both healthy fats and protein, making them a great addition to a keto diet when consumed in moderation. And while most fruits might be a no-go due to their high carb content, some berries like raspberries, blackberries, and strawberries are lower in carbs and can be enjoyed in moderation. Now, onto the foods to steer clear of on a keto diet. High-carb foods like bread, pasta, rice, potatoes, and sugar are a big no. Sugary drinks such as soda, juice, and sports drinks are carb-loaded and should be avoided. Processed foods like chips, crackers, and candy are high in carbs and unhealthy fats and should be given a wide berth on a keto diet. On a keto diet, you're spoiled for choice with a plethora of delicious and healthy foods. Just keep an eye on your macros, steer clear of high-carb foods, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals. A little pro tip for you. Meal prep is your secret weapon for success on a keto diet. Plan your meals in advance and ensure you have plenty of keto-friendly snacks on hand to stave off temptation. Embark on your 8-week custom keto diet journey today. Just click the link below in the description and enjoy your 8 weeks custom keto diet plan.